Hi guys, today I'm going to be making something super delicious, and that is dark chocolate chip banana bread. So let's get the ingredients ready. Basically you're gonna need plain flour, you're gonna need butter, margarine. I prefer to use margarine on this one, or you can use coconut oil if you don't wanna have the dairy in or non-dairy margarine like I have. Some egg, sugar, baking powder, some bananas. Make sure your bananas are nice and ripe. When they go this horrible brown colour, that's perfect for banana bread. You want them to be as ripe as possible. And of course, some chocolate chips. I just use plain chocolate, dark chocolate for mine, and cut them up. If your oven's a fan oven like mine, you put it onto 180. So we're just going to start by mashing the bananas into a bowl like so. The bananas should be looking lovely inside if you've left them to ripen just like I have. Don't be too put off by that. That's good for banana bread, trust me. Doesn't that look totally yummy now? So now we're going to add this banana to the sugar and margarine and mix it all together in this nice big bowl. I'm going to have 115 grams of margarine. We're going to quickly melt it. Make sure that's all nicely melted down. Just going to pop that aside just to cool down there, and then we can weigh out our sugar. You're going to need 160 grams of sugar, lovely. Now in this sugar bowl, I can put my bananas. And then bring your butter. You're going to pour that in as well. So you're going to grab a whisk and you're going to beat all of this together until it's nice and creamy. Now you're going to get your eggs, so crack them into a bowl. Beat the eggs up quick and then add them to your bowl. Just a tip when you're beating, lift up your whisk as you're going round. So it's like you're lifting it out and then pushing it back, and then gradually get faster. So now it's time to add the flour. You're going to get 200 grams of that and sieve it into the bowl. Made a bit of a mess, haven't I? Then you're going to add 2 heaped teaspoons of baking powder. 1, 2. Then you're just going to fold this over the flour like so. Once it's kind of almost folded over like that, you're going to add your chocolate chips. I'm going to use this whole bar because I just love chocolate. It doesn't matter too much about the size of your chocolate chips. It's a bit of a rough and ready cake, so you know, the rougher they are the better. So time to put the chocolate chips in. Carefully fold that in. Some of the pieces are very large. Continue folding until no bits of flour remain, and it's just like a nice smooth mix. Make sure you line your banana loaf tin with some grease-proof paper. Now you're ready to pour it in. And once you got it all in, and it's all ready to go in the oven, you can do what my favourite part is. Look out the bowl. Yum! Now I'm going to pop this in the oven. We're going to check back on it in half an hour. So it's been half an hour. You might be able to see it's already a little bit brown on top, but that's not going to be done on the inside. So I am going to turn it down to 160 and let it cook for the rest of the time at a slightly lower heat. So it's been another 20 minutes on 160. Let's check it out. Looking very good. Let's do the test. Comes out clean, perfect. Oh, that does look really yummy. I'm gonna leave that to cool now. After about 20 minutes of cooling in the tin, it's finally time to try some. Oh my gosh. You never really know with cakes how they're gonna taste, but I do have a good feeling about this one. Here we go. So now, just gonna eat the whole thing. Now that really is special.